Create your movie series right on YouTube. You can now create your movie series right on YouTube. YouTube
I
just
can't
added
keep
that
hiding
to
this
their platform.
pregnancy.
Movies like this, your
And why is she
African
saying
tale
she's
stories,
pregnant
whatever
for
kind
you?
of movies, whatever kind
Tell
of
me the
AI
truth.
videos, you can now generate it right on YouTube.
Tell me the
The
truth.
sweet part of it is it is free,
What did I
completely
do now?
free. The quality
I
is top
honestly don't
notch.
know how to
What
tell
you're
her.
seeing, I generated
You
using
have to tell her the truth.
YouTube platform. I'm talking about the YouTube where you're watching me
Please, I'm
from
sorry.
the YouTube right
Give me
on
one
your
more
phone. You
chance.
can now use it to generate AI movies, AI series, all completely free with dialogue. Hey guys, welcome
I
back to
have
my
given you
channel. In this
several
video, it is
chances.
how to create
I
your movie
can't
series
continue like
right
this.
on YouTube. Let's get into it. Right here, this is my screen. I will be showing you. Okay, now the first thing is head to your YouTube. This is how the YouTube is. Click on plus. You see video, shift it to shorts. Okay, shift it to shorts. You see right here. Okay, click here, right here. Once you click on it, you see create AI videos and you click on it. Now, once you click on it, it opens this way. All right, now you paste your prompt. You can do video generation and image to video generation or and text to video, either text to video generation or image to video generation. Now go through your prompts. Okay, if there's any adjustment to be done, you know, go with it, then you paste it. Now with this, you can create your AI movie series for your YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and Instagram, TikTok. Okay, you can do that on this platform for free, and the quality, it is very good. Those videos you watched earlier, I generated them using this platform. Now I have sent it and it is generating. Okay, so you're looking for a free video generator. This is what you need, your free video generation. All right, you're not paying a dime. Okay, so you click on it. This is it. You see the quality. Did you see the quality of your video? When it comes to hyper realistic videos, it is good. Now drop down, okay, you click on save a on device, save to device, and this movie or this video saves on your device. Okay, if you click on next, drop it down, you see save to device. If you want it saved, you save. If you want it posted immediately on your YouTube short, click on next, okay, just like I did, and you post it. All right, now once you've generated the first video, you head back. Can see you go back again, you see create video, you click on it, you start creating again. All right, it creates you up to um 10 seconds video at a go. Now this is image to video that I'm doing. This is image to video. I uploaded an image. The first one we did was a video to image video generation. This one is now image to video generation. All right, I just went through it, then clicked send, and it is generating already. Okay, it doesn't take time, it doesn't even get up to 30 seconds that your video is generated. All right, we are 30 seconds, 30% already. Okay, so the video, it is generating. All right, now with this you can generate as much as you can. That your movie series, AI movie series, you're wondering if you're to subscribe, and this YouTube platform generates the video for you the highest quality ever. Okay, so you can see 95%, it is almost done, and here it is. You can see that, you see the quality of this video. The same process, right? The same process. You drop it down here and you save to device. Your movie is saved. If you want it shared immediately to YouTube shop, fine, go ahead and just share it. Okay, click on next and you're able to post it. But if you're not posting, just click on the arrow and get back. All right, back. It takes you back here. You click on the arrow again, it brings you here. Okay, what you need to do is click on the X and you click on delete. It turns out this way. You start afresh again. You get it. You can see this is the third video I'm generating on this platform, and you have not seen anywhere it says pay or do this or it requires 10 credit or it requires 1 credit. Now this is the third video. I just went to a video, a test to video. All right, this is another scene. See the quality of this. You see that? Hyper realistic. All right, the same process, you drop it and save it. Okay, so that is how you're able to generate videos on this platform. I will be uploading what we generated. Okay, so if you're into movie series and you're wondering where to generate your AI videos for free, this is one of them. Okay, YouTube itself has made that platform possible. Image to video, text to video, any kind of video you want to generate, YouTube platform just made it possible. All right. So make sure to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel.